This Republic Day 2026, New Delhi is set to witness a truly special and emotional moment along Kartavya Path. For the first time ever, the Indian Army's animal contingent will be showcased in the parade in a highly organized and prominent manner. These are the silent warriors of the army, creatures who serve the nation with courage, loyalty, and dedication, often without anyone noticing their critical role. The contingent has been carefully curated by the renowned and veterinary corps, and it will feature a remarkable lineup including 2 Bactrian camels, 4 Zanskar ponies, 4 birds of prey, 10 Indian breed army dogs, and 6 experienced military dogs. Each of these animals has played a significant role in the defense of the country, operating in some of the most challenging terrains and conditions imaginable. Leading this unique contingent will be the Bactrian camels, which have recently been deployed in the cold desert regions of Ladakh. These camels are extraordinary animals, capable of working at altitudes exceeding 15,000 feet, enduring extreme cold, and navigating rugged and inhospitable terrain. They can carry loads of up to 250 kilograms and travel long distances with very little food or water, making them indispensable for army operations in high-altitude regions. Their presence at the parade is a symbol of endurance and resilience, reminding the nation that strength and determination come in many forms, not just from human soldiers but also from these incredible animals. Following the camels in the parade will be the Zanskar ponies, a rare and indigenous breed from Ladakh. These small yet powerful animals can work in temperatures as low as -40 degrees Celsius, making them vital companions for soldiers patrolling extreme areas like Siachen. Despite their size, they are strong and agile, able to carry loads between 40 and 60 kilograms, and are trained to navigate treacherous mountain terrain alongside troops. They serve as a reminder that sometimes the most effective strength comes in a compact and highly adaptable form. Adding a modern dimension to the parade, the birds of prey will also be part of the contingent. These majestic raptors are not just ceremonial, they represent the Indian Army's adoption of advanced strategies and modern technology. In real-world operations, they assist in surveillance, reconnaissance, and air defense tasks, highlighting how the Army combines traditional skills and modern tools to ensure national security. Perhaps the most emotional segment of the parade will be the Indian Army dogs, often referred to as the true silent warriors. These dogs are trained to take on some of the most dangerous assignments, from counter-terrorism and bomb detection to search and rescue operations and disaster relief missions. Many of them have risked their lives in the line of duty, saving countless soldiers and civilians. In line with the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative, the Army has increasingly incorporated indigenous breeds like the Mudhol Hound, Rampur Hound, Kumbai, and Rajpalayam, reinforcing the importance of self-reliance and celebrating India's native animal breeds. As these silent warriors march down Kartavya Path, they will send a powerful message to the nation.